Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So this is live price prediction and very important video for all Stellar XLM holder. But 12,700 subscriber, my friends, we will hit now this time. They are all trust ABS Tech channel, and absolutely they are all earn money in a crypto with ABS Tech channel. So if you also want to earn money in a crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my friends, the thumbnail, as you can see, my friend, is very danger, and I absolutely this is very danger update for all of you now, because Stellar XLM, my friend, in previous 2 or 3 days ago, my friends, they will again starting moving upward, but in loss, my friend, you can see here after a 6th September they were fails down. You can see here, my friends, after this point this coin will take a very bad dump. What's the reason, my friends? So they will dumps down, and the holders are very shocked, and absolutely they will tell me to what we will need to do to we will get a profit now. So therefore I will tell you, my friend, this time to what you will need to do, my friends, to get a profit. My friends, I found this, my friends, this huge jump. Absolutely it's a very profit time, and absolutely I invest, my friend, last 2 days ago, my friend, I invest here now. Definitely, my friend, when I see this with this very bad dump, absolutely I decide to absolutely the main reason, my friend, which I found to this why they were fails down. So this is that to after a huge jump this coin were fails down. So therefore I listen, I understand this from this to after a huge jump they were fails down. So therefore, my friends, after this fails I invest here now, because this is the main very good reason, my friends, to I invest here now, because I found it, my friends, true. If they were fails down, here is the price is very decreased, the price is very cheap now. So I am 100% sure to after a huge jump they were dumps. So therefore I am 100% sure to after a dump absolutely they will pump up. So therefore I am 100% sure to after this fails they will take a very huge jump, and they will give me a very good profit. So I invest here now, and I hope, I'm 100% sure. Let's check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart. What's going on? Absolutely. Yes, you can see, my friends. I already tell you to after a dump, absolutely they will pump. So therefore, my friend, I invest, and 5% profit, my friend. The 5% the price is increased just and only in last 24 hours. So therefore, I love it, and absolutely my research, my prediction is going to be right now. So therefore, I told you to, if you want to also earn money, this is very good time. I invest 2 days ago, you also invest today. I hope at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. Thanks for watching, Stellar XLM holder. Hope you understand something new in my video. Please, if you want to more this type of videos, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.